Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V Marie. In this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my go-to going out looks. It consists of a shimmer eye and a bold red lip. If you guys like this look and want to learn how to create it at home, keep on watching. I'm going to get started by applying a facial serum. This one is from Valgene Labs and this one is the Glow, which has vitamin C and magnesium. Next, I'm going to go in with primer, and today I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer. For foundation today, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation, and I am the shade 240. For concealer, I'm going to go in with one of my faves, the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I am the shade Light Beige. Next, I'm going to set the concealer using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. While I'm letting the concealer bake, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and I'm the shade Medium Brown. Now I'm going to go in and prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion and some of the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. To create the bronze look I want on my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Tartelette Toasted Palette. The first shade that I'm going to go in with is the Matte Latte shade, and this one I'm just going to apply on my crease. The next shade we're going to take is Cozy, which is more of a brick matte shade, and we're going to apply this a little bit closer to the crease line. For our lid shade, I'm going to take the shimmer shade Simmer. Next, I'm going to mix the shades Candle and Sunrise and apply this in the inner corner and under my eyebrow. For my lower lash line, I'm going to mix the shades Cozy and Flame. Once all the shadows are applied, I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just shape out the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to go in and create my wing using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. For pressed powder, I'm going to be going in with Marc Jacobs, and I'm the shade 500 Fawn Cocoa. Moving on to contour, I'm going to start with the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. I'm going to top that off using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Inner Mazy Highlighter. For blush, I'm going to go in with the shade Seduce from Tarte. Moving on to lips, I'm going to start off by lining my lips using the MAC Auburn Lip Pencil. The red that I'm going to be going in with is the Fenty Beauty Uncensored Stunna Lip Paint. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.